Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm Vaishnavi from Godrej You and Us, and I'm going to cover a very interesting topic, that is luxury. Who doesn't like luxury, right? So to start with, I'm going to go through some quick and easy points which will definitely help you to upscale and upgrade your space. My first point is expression of self. Home is the reflection of homemaker. Haven't you heard about it? It is said because homemaker puts his self in the space, right? Similarly, it is important to bring something of your own personality, something of your own self to the space. For example, if you have a hobby that can be displayed, be it art or craft or anything, just scale it up, frame it up on a plain wall and let the wall speak for you. Or put a favorite planter in your cozy corner. Or just reupholster your favorite couch with the modern new fabric. From upholstery, what catches my attention is fabric. So my next feature is attention to the fabric. Fabrics of furnitures or curtains or pillows or even rugs, so that has the power to boost up the space that immediately. So use of fabrics like velvets or suedes or leathers, even satins, so that highlights even the most dark spaces. So try using such fabrics in the spaces around and get that lavish chic vibe. The next point that I'm going to cover is accents and accessories. I think it's one of the favorite topic not only for me but also for the people because they do really have a lot of things to keep in their spaces. So use of proper accessories in proper corners is very important. Make such creative usable corners with the use of your antiques and your accessories. Then coming up to the next point, that is use of high-end materials. So use high-end materials like glasses or mirrors or goldwares or even metal antiques. So go large with these. Play with such materials like in your living rooms or entrance lobbies or even dining rooms. It will definitely make you feel very lavish and luxurious and also very welcoming. The next concept for today is balance. Yes, balance in furniture placement or accessory placement is very important. It is very crucial as it decides the focal point of the space. Gauri Khan has rightly said that setting is everything. Isn't it right here? Try different permutations and combinations in your spaces around with the placement of furniture and settle for the most balanced setting, and you will feel the luxury that immediately. The last point for today is use of scented candles and fresh flowers. This lockdown or even in general if you feel a little low, just light up your mood by the use of scented candles or placing fresh flowers in your favorite space. It's a very tiny luxury but it is very powerful. It will definitely give you peace of mind and calmness. I hope I was helpful in enlightening you, and I hope my points will definitely help you to get your luxury and eventually finding your comfort. But it's time to bid adieu. So please feel free to ask any of your queries and share your views. And stay tuned with us as we are going to go a little more deeper in this topic in the next session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.